Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Channel, where learning English is easy, practical, and full of confidence. My name is Hania.
And I'm Kamyar, and I am genuinely excited to learn with you today because this topic helps almost every English learner in the world.
Let me ask you something very honestly. Have you ever felt that you know English, but when you start speaking, your words come out too fast, too mixed, and people say, "Sorry, I didn't catch that"?
Or maybe you feel nervous, so you rush your English, and later you think, why did I speak like that? I know I can do better.
If this sounds like you, then today's lesson can truly change the way you speak English.
Because today, we are not learning fast English. We are learning strong English, clear English, and confident English.
So take a breath, relax your shoulders, and stay with us. Our topic today is very important, very practical, and very powerful.
Today, we are learning how to speak English slowly, but clearly.
You don't need advanced grammar. You don't need difficult words. You just need the right mindset and the right habits. Many learners believe that good English means fast English, but this idea creates stress, confusion, and fear inside the mind.
When you try to speak fast, your brain works too hard, your mouth moves too quickly, and your message becomes unclear, even if your English knowledge is good.
Clear English is not about speed. Clear English is about control, comfort, and connection.
When you speak slowly, you give your listener time to understand you, and at the same time, you give yourself time to think and breathe.
Slow English shows confidence because it tells the listener, "I am not afraid. I am calm. I know what I want to say."
In real life, people trust speakers who sound calm and clear more than speakers who sound fast and nervous.
Let's talk honestly for a moment. Many learners feel embarrassed when they speak slowly because they think others will judge them.
But the truth is very simple and very important. People do not judge slow English. They judge unclear English.
Native speakers slow down when they speak to children, when they explain something important, and when they want to sound professional.
Think about teachers, news presenters, or good leaders. They speak slowly, clearly, and with pauses.
So today, we remove this false belief that slow English is weak English.
From today, you give yourself permission to speak slowly without guilt and without fear.
One of the biggest secrets of clear English is learning how to pause naturally while speaking. Pauses are not mistakes, and pauses are not signs of poor English. Pauses are signs of thinking and confidence. When you pause, your brain organizes your thoughts, your mouth relaxes, and your voice becomes clearer and stronger. Let's listen to the difference carefully. Yeah, I'm working in a company and I started last year and I like it very much. Now listen again, slowly and clearly. I am working in a company. I started last year and I like it very much. Notice how the second version feels calm, confident, and easy to understand. This is not advanced English. This is smart English.
Another reason English becomes unclear is because learners try to say everything in one long sentence.
Instead of long sentences, focus on complete thoughts, where each sentence carries one clear idea.
For example, instead of saying everything together, break your message into parts that sound natural and relaxed.
This method reduces fear, improves clarity, and gives you confidence in conversations.
Now, let us talk about something extremely important that many English learners never think about, but this one habit can completely change the way you speak English.
Yes, and that powerful habit is learning how to control your breathing while speaking.
When people feel nervous, their breathing becomes fast, shallow, and unstable, and because of that, their voice also becomes shaky and unclear.
That is why English starts coming out too fast, words mix together, and listeners feel confused even when your grammar is correct.
But the moment you slow down your breathing, your mind also slows down, and suddenly your English sounds calmer, clearer, and more confident.
Before you speak any sentence in English, train yourself to take one deep breath, relax your shoulders, and then start speaking slowly.
This small pause sends a powerful message to your brain that you are safe, you have enough time, and you do not need to rush. Many learners feel pressure because they think their English pronunciation must sound perfect like a native speaker.
But the truth is, perfect pronunciation is not required for successful communication, but clear pronunciation is absolutely necessary.
People do not care about your accent. They care about understanding your message without effort.
When you speak slowly, your mouth, lips, and tongue have enough time to form each sound clearly and naturally.
Instead of trying to sound fast and native, focus on sounding clear and confident, because clarity always creates respect. Let us look at how slow and clear English works in real-life situations that you face every day.
For example, when introducing yourself, many learners speak too fast because they feel nervous.
Instead of rushing, speak in short but complete sentences with natural pauses.
When you speak slowly, people listen more carefully, and they take you more seriously.
This habit works in offices, interviews, meetings, travel, and even casual conversations.
Here is a very important truth that every English learner must understand deeply.
Confidence does not come before speaking English. Confidence comes after people understand your English clearly.
Each time someone understands you without asking you to repeat, your confidence grows silently inside you.
Speaking slowly is not a weakness. It is a sign of control, awareness, and intelligence.
Strong speakers do not rush because they know their words have value.
Now, let us share a simple daily practice routine that anyone can follow, even if you are very busy.
Spend just 10 minutes a day reading English aloud at a slow and comfortable pace.
Focus on finishing one sentence completely before starting the next one.
Do not worry about speed. Focus only on clarity and calmness.
Consistency is more important than intensity, so practice a little every day. Always remember that learning English is not a race, and there is no prize for speaking the fastest.
The real success comes when people listen to you, understand you, and respect your voice.
If you speak slowly today, you will speak confidently tomorrow.
Your voice matters, your words matter, and your English journey matters.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the English Learning channel, and keep practicing every day.
And write in the comments, I choose clarity over speed.